Good morning, everybody. Anita here. I hope that you're having a great day today. Today, we're going to talk about not letting others take your power. We want to focus on taking our power back. Far too many of us are giving our power, our happiness, our love, our energy to other people, and they take it. We allow people to come around us that we know are bringing us down. We have to take an active step to protect our power, to protect our energy, especially when we're wanting to manifest something. Don't give people your power. Stand in your own power. You have the power to create. You have the power to love. You have the power to manifest what you want. You have the power to stay positive. Far too many of us are letting other people contradict or attribute to whether we're happy or not. It doesn't matter what they are doing. We have to make up our own minds that we will stand in a place of positivity. We will stand in a place of creating. We don't give other people the power to control our emotions and what we do. I did this for years, thinking I was doing right by putting many other people before myself and what I liked. I squished myself for years to make others happy. I was giving my power away. I was being abused and used, and I didn't see a way out. Through the law of attraction has taught me many things and how to take my power back. And you do it on purpose. You start with baby steps. If you're in a place where somebody is controlling everything you do, take baby steps to start getting out of it. Say no, even if it's no inside of your head. Just say no and control your thoughts, control your emotions as much as you can. You won't change everything overnight, but you can start the steps to getting your power back. And that's what I encourage you today to do, is start to take control of your own life. Take your power back and don't let other people control your emotions. Don't be like the waves on the sea and just wishy-washy inside yourself. Start to make the changes you need to make to stand your ground and control the situations. You can do this. I have lots of videos on how to start preparing and changing yourself and using the law of attraction. So I invite you to go over the playlist and listen to whatever resonates with you. And with that, I love each and every one of you, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a fabulous day. Bye for now.